Hello, my friends. I need to talk to you about something. A long time ago, we used to have a little place called MySpace. It was a wonderful place. You could make your own pages, and after you got that all set up, you could go to, you got your friends, and after you got your friends, you could go to your friend's place and leave glittery comments about how they should have a wonderful day, if someone's hurting, I hope you feel better. Or someone's sick, I hope you feel better. It was a wonderful place, you know. I used to audition bands, new bands. I heard new music. It was great. Then all of a sudden, my friends started disappearing. I'm like, well, where are they? And then somebody finally came on Messenger and said, there's this new place called Facebook. I'm like, Facebook. And like, yeah, check it out. It's really cool. So I said, all right, fine. I got myself an account, went on their Facebook, and it was a pretty groovy place, except for the advertisements. Well, anyway, something happened, man. It was like in the beginning, we joke little jokes, we try to say have a nice day and all these little things that we could do. And then something happened. It was all about me, you know. It's like, this is what I'm doing today. This is what I've done to my house, and this is what I've done travel to. It was all about self. What happened to the glittery comments we could send to each other and hope each other have a nice day and little jokes and stuff? They were gone. And then the announcements and political agendas that started coming on there, through advertising and stuff. And it was like, next thing you know, it's totally political. And people are arguing with each other. And we're having fights with each other. And people are defriending each other. And all these new words started coming out, like defriend. And it's like, all there is now on there is, I'm not belittling it, but COVID-19, wear a mask, don't wear a mask. People are actually up in arms about masks, you know, um, and that's really it right now. It's like, what happened to the friendship? What happened to the fun days? Gone. So, my friends, I thought I had to come on here and say something. I hope you listen because writing for me is a real hard thing to do since the SUV hit me as a pedestrian. I can't write anymore and I can't read anymore. It's really aggravating, but anyway, that's me. And so I really hope you listen to this for a second. It'll only take a few minutes of your time because what I'm trying to do is to bring unity of peace here. You know, let's go back. We all know that COVID is a very serious situation. We all know that the administrations are a very big situation. We all know all this. But can we just get rid of it, and come here again and send each other comments and send each other, well, you can't send each other. Well, you can. You can put them on people's pages. But it's like, and go back to the how you doing stage. I hope you're having a nice day stage. Here's a great joke stage. Instead of this political arena stage, my house is better than your house. My vacations are better than your vacations. My wife or husband or girlfriend or whatever, significant other is better than you. My sex is better than you. My this is it. There's enough competition in the world that we have to live in. There's enough anxiety in the world that we have to live in. Can't we all come together again and be friends? That's all I wanted to say. Like Janis Joplin said 1,000 years ago. Can't we all just get along? Please. Peace.